how we can click on image slider or carousel in Flutter. So before going through the code, this is the example of the application. Now this is the image slider. When I'm going to click on any of this image like this one, this will going to open in the next page. So let's have a quick demo of the code. So before that, in YAML we have to implement carousel pro carousel slider 1.0.1. We don't need this. Now if we'll come in the main activity dot tart, now in this we have to specify the carousel slider, and in this we have to pass the URL of this. So I have basically 3 URLs which I have passed, and after that in this map section this URL will be assigned to this I variable. Now we have to return the builder to this carousel slider, and this in this builder we have the context and the container. Now we also have to specify the size width of this carousel, and the media query of the width and the margin of it. Now in the decoration section we have to pass the image view, which is basically image.network. The image is coming from the network, so we have to pass this image.network. In this we have to pass this I variable, which is the URL basically, and I'm also passing this for the fit, so it can be fit in the carousel. So on the tap method we have to open the next page, and in this page I'm passing this I variable. Now in the next page there's nothing. I just declared the image network, and in this that variable which has been passed by the main.tart is declared here. Thank you so much for watching this. Have a great day. I hope you like my video. If you have any queries, please write in the comment section below. Bye bye. Have a great day.